Oh yeah, that didn't even sit for a second. Yep. Yep. Yes sir. Yes sir. Oh, got him.
Go! Be a donkey.
It's a donkey, all right.
Yo, being chased by a butt munch.
This guy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for coming along. You fantastic, bastastic people. Today we got the Kipster with us, and we're gonna try 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 7 different lakes. We're gonna just try to catch a fish. Don't know what the barometric pressure's doing. We just go put some thumbs and some mouths and get these things done. Well, here we are, lake number 1. A little top water action because it's early morning. Sun hasn't officially crested the horizon yet. What we'll do with this popper here is officially find out if there's any gators in this particular pond.
Come on.
My boy already caught a fish.
I'm off.
All right. Officially lost the fish.
I saw the line going, but I'm like, what's that? So what did I do? Not set the hook.
This is what we do. When you feel a fish, you set the hook.
Golly.
The bass master here that caught 35 bass last time we went fishing.
We're lying about that.
He's on already. He waited for me to walk away from him. Yes, sir.
Like you said, it
Mr. Kip, fishing for 10 minutes. Already got 1 bite. Now he's got number 2 on the, well, not number 2, but this is his first official catch of the day. Little dinky. Look at that. Look at that prized possession. That's a good 4 to 5 pounder right there.
pretty color.
Oh yeah, that didn't even sit for a second. Yep. Yep. Yes sir. Yes sir. That didn't even sit on the water for a second. Man, he is a fighter. Oh, because and there he goes. He's in there, ladies and gentlemen, is the friendly gator. Hence why I said, you bring out a popper, you're gonna find a gator. And I've never, ever seen a gator in this lake. And he's on again. My boy is on again. Oh, it's a nice one. Well, a nice one for what we get around here. Yeah, that's about, that looks about the same size as the one I just lost off.
Phone's on the wrong side again.
Well, there it is. It's a little bloodied up, but
Where?
he should survive. That's a nice little, what, 3/4 pound?
He's not a pound yet.
Yeah.
Let's see if he's okay. A little damage there.
Let's make sure he swims off. Oh. Okay.
Dude, he's pissed about what happened. Yeah.
Now you got blood on your new shirt. Oh. Somebody just came in there to eat, and I wasn't there for it. Got that bastard that time. Little tykey tyke. Look at this monster peep. First one of the day. He inhaled that thing. Look at that. Look at that precious little guy. Yes, sir. Precious little booger. Get out there and get more done, buddy. Oh, right at the shore line there. Got him. Got him. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, I know, buddy. Okay, all right. You don't want to be lipped, I got you. Man, he is angry. That's a nice little 1/2 to 3/4 pound at best. Came up, I started swimming that thing. That's when he came up. It was close to shore, so I just started reeling it in. There he is. Ah, I missed it. Oh, nope, he's still on. It's a little baby one. Okay, all right. Little side belly hook in there, big guy. Sorry about that. Yep. I love it. So aggressive. Look how small that is. That bait's probably half that size. But you've seen, it's about as soon as it hit the water, a couple pops, he was on it. Last cast magic. Oh, got him. Yep. Like as soon as it hit the water. Trying to keep him down. Put some restraint on him. Ooh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man, he is, oh, he's all hooked up. Oh. Yeah, I know. You're pissed because you fell for my trick. Man, I don't even know how to unhook this thing. All right. Probably the biggest bass I have ever seen out of this lake. At a 0. Two-pounder. I will take that. 2-pounder. Look at that. Thank you, Jesus. A little stunned. There he goes. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jesus. Another nice one. 2-pounder. 2.04. Cast King, baby. Here we are. Mr. Gator right here. Was just sitting up on shore, but I had to change the battery. This is the lake that I caught the 6-pounder out of. He's right there. He says, I'm here for you, boys.
There he goes.
Look at him go after it.
Wow. Quick little fucker. Please don't eat it. Oh, he's gonna eat it. Oh,
He is like a torpedo. So obviously this bait is not going to be useful here. See, there's a bed. There's a bed. This is where the water line usually is. Bed, bed. Look at all these beds. This lake is a lot deeper than I thought it was. I thought for the size of that bed. Goodness gracious, like a tiny crater.
Yeah, so where's that donkey at?
And there's beds all right there. There's lots of bass in here. They got this little drainage ditch they can swim up in. Look. Crazy. Like a minefield over here, and someone walk through every one of them. Got him. Got him. Your favorite worm?
Speed, huh?
Yep. All right. Dang, I got him way back there. That is a strange hook. Ouch. Yes, sir. Nice little guy. Nice little guy. I got the hook up right on that one. Finally.
Go, just like that.
Oh, and he's on like Donkey Kong.
Sardine number 2.
Sardines.
Oh, you swallowed it. This is surgery. No.
Yes, sir. Another Dinkdro fish.
Okay, we got one.
Look at the skilled bassmen at work.
Yeah, and then there's this.
Yeah. Get in there, Chris.
Will require a.
Oh, look at that.
I did it all by myself.
Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, all right.
Beast, baby.
You see the size of these beds?
Yeah.
Where are the mamas at?
Those came from the mamas that laid the eggs in these deep canyons. Oh, got him. It's a donkey, all right.
It's pulling your rod.
Close to the eye, but not the eye. Thank goodness. Oh, he just peed all over me.
Yeah, all right, so new spot. We know there's some fishies in here.
We know there's some fishies in here. He's a little guy, a little under a pounder, half a pounder. Yeah, wash your hands with dirty water. Yeah. Oh, that just stinks. All right, we're back at the lake. Well, that ain't good. We're back at the lake. That last week, Chris and Drew just tore him up. I did not. They did. They got nice. They got some big ones, they got small ones, but they were catching them pretty quick. Drew was using a spinner, chartreuse spinner. Chris was using a rattle trap and wacky attacky. We were getting out here a little later than we did last time. Fish on already, my boy. Didn't take him long. First cast at the new little spot he moved over to. Oh!
Little chunker.
That's a nice little chunker. That's a good pound and change.
Woo.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Mr. Kip tearing it up again.
It's one. It's not a tear up.
Yeah, it is. That's how it started last time.
That's the problem.
This is always fun to watch, ladies and gentlemen.
It sure is. How you know I'm not a professional fisherman?
Well, I beg to differ with that, but
I can catch them. The pain.
yeah, it was. That's a nice one.
Oof.
I think that's probably pretty close to the biggest one of the day.
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty sure.
That's probably a little over a pound. Well, my fantastic, bass-tastic peeps, it's been a pretty good morning. Chris tore them up. I got a few at the first few lakes we were at. We went out here to this lake that they tore it up the last time we were out here, and Chris got a couple. Mr. Kip got a couple, but I haven't caught anything yet. So we're gonna finish this up out here. A few more casts, last cast magic, if you know what I'm saying. You know how that goes. So who knows how long we'll finish up this day. I'll keep recording, so if there's any more we catch, you'll see them in the video. Thank you. Be blessed. Enjoy the day, enjoy the week, enjoy the month, enjoy the year, enjoy life the best you can. Peace. Thank God for this ability to be out here. Have a good one. Bye.